Okay, this is my latest unconventional upgrade. Modification, let's say modification after last week aluminum manual entry steps that I just love so far. For years I've been very vocal about the Onan generator. I do own the Onan 3200 QD that is perfectly functioning. By the way, if you ever need it, I will probably sell it. I decided to remove the generator like many other members here because I have 3 lithium-ion battery that is also for sale in the for sale group. Anyway, so I decided to remove it, but I will probably never go without a generator because so I decided to replace the generator with this magnificent little Honda generator. So the enclosure is made out of checker plate 1/16 of an inch. I might change it to 1/8 of an inch, but I will try it for now. And I reused all the wires and connection from the generator to install myself here outlet. And according to Honda owner's manual, it's preferable to put a ground here. So this ground was just the same ground on the Onan. So I attached it here, and I make myself a little extension cord with 2 male prong at each end. So, and this Honda is has been converted. I have installed a conversion kit made by Hutch Montaigne, and this allow me to run the generator out of 3 different sources of fuel, either gas, LP, or natural gas. For our need, I will probably use it sometime in gas mode, and some other time I will. I have ordered the hose here for the connection, but the gist of it is that regulator allow the generator to run on LP, and I will connect it via a hose to the LTV quick connect, and then the other side here, blue, goes there. Yep. So I don't know if I will love it, but I think so. I think I will really love that generator. It weighs not that much, and it's pretty bulletproof, and it's very easy to if needed, I can remove the generator and place it far away from the coach. So I will let you know how I love it or not during probably this upcoming season. If you have questions, just let me know.